In recent years, advancements in agricultural technology have gradually become vital allies to the cotton farmers of China's Xinjiang. In Wusu City, a major cotton production area in northern Xinjiang, the construction of high-standard farmlands has been widely promoted. As the cotton sowing season has kicked off, modern tech such as unmanned seeders guided by China's Beidou navigation satellite system and the Internet of Things have been applied to save resources and labor.
高功能建设它的初衷点就是要把基本的棉田全部进行整合，整合完了以后，一个是节约节本增效，第二个就是有利这个上规模的种植推广。目前呢，我们全市的这个永久基本农田面积是216.47万亩地，目前截止到2023年，已完成的这个高标准建设面积是73.6万亩。我们计划呢，在2030年就是把这剩下的面积全部完成这个高标准农田建设。
Xinjiang is the largest cotton production base in China. In 2023, cotton output in Xinjiang reached 5.11 million tons, accounting for over 90% of China's output.